Welcome to the Home 2 Suites by Hilton Temecula Safety and Security training video. This brief video will run you through some of the basic shutoffs in case of an emergency to minimize damage to the facility. By the end of the video, you should know where all the main shutoffs are for the utilities such as domestic water, gas, and electricity. You will also learn about local shutoffs and where locations are. Let's get started. Located behind the door of the front desk to the back office is a quick reference poster of where all the main utility shutoffs are located, along with the crescent wrench which would be needed to shut off the gas to the hotel. Let's start with localized water shutoff valves. Typically, near each water source, such as a sink, toilet, or anything that dispenses water, is a water valve. There are different types of valves, but they all basically do the same thing: turn off or turn on the flow of water. In case of an emergency, we want to shut off the flow of water as soon as possible to help prevent the possibility of water damage. Here we see what are known as quarter turn valves. Simply turn the valve to shut off the water. Typically, there is one valve for cold and one valve for hot. Make sure you shut them both off for complete water shutoff. You may encounter these types of valves called gate valves. They work in the same fashion as quarter turn valves. If the handle is going the same direction as the pipe, the valve is open. If the handle is going perpendicular to the pipe, the valve is closed. Here, above the washers in the main laundry, is the water to the main laundry. They are known as ball valves. Simply turn the valves to shut off the flow of water or to turn on the flow of water. Remember, there's two valves per each unit, one for hot and one for cold. On the west side of the building are the double doors to the boiler room. You will need at least an A1 key to gain access. This is where the main shutoff valve for water is located. Once inside the boiler room, you will see a large copper pipe in the corner. There is also a yellow handle. This is the main shutoff to the water to the hotel from the city. Simply turn the handle to shut off the water. Also located on the west side of the building is the fire alarm control panel / riser room. You will need at least an A1 key to gain access. Once inside, you will see a turn valve for the fire sprinklers. Simply turn the valve to shut off the flow of water. In stairwell 1 is all the shutoffs for each floor for the fire sprinklers. So if you just wanted to shut off the second floor, go to the second floor in the stairwell 1, which is located on the northwest side of the building. Each floor in stair 1 has a valve to shut off the sprinklers for that floor. Simply turn the handle to shut off the flow to that floor. Also note that stair 1 has the roof access, and only stair 1. Should anybody, like the fire department, need access to the roof, it is located in stair 1, which is on the west north side of the building. You can only gain access from the second floor and up. Now we will move on to gas. The main gas valve is located on the north side of the building near Single Oak, over by the pet station and mailbox area. Remember, located on the back of the door going to the back office is a crescent wrench that you will need in order to shut off the main gas valve. Use the crescent wrench to turn the valve to align the two holes, knowing that now the flow is off. Located in the main laundry, behind the dryers, are some gas shutoffs. You will need a minimum of an A1 key to gain access. Behind the main dryers, you will see the main dryer shutoff valve. Behind the main washers, you will find the gas shutoff for the spin-to-cycle guest laundry dryers. Located on the patio near the barbecues is a red switch, which is the emergency gas shutoff switch. Also located on the patio is an emergency switch for the fire pit. It works just like a light switch. Simply turn it off. On the southwest side of the building is the door to the engineering office. You will need a minimum of a MA key to gain access. Once inside, there is a shutoff valve for the gas to the patio. Now we will move on to electricity. In the guest rooms, located near water sources, are these type of receptacles called GFCIs, which stands for ground fault circuit interrupters. Here, you will see two lights, which means that the interrupter is tripped. There is no electricity to this plug. Simply press the switch on the plug to reset it. If you ever get a call from a guest that there is no power to the refrigerator, check the GFIs. They may need to be reset. Located in the employee break room is the door to gain access to the elevator equipment room. Once inside, you will see two electrical disconnects, one labeled 1 and another labeled 2, which goes with the corresponding elevators. Located in the main laundry behind the dryer, you will find more electrical disconnects. Behind the main dryers are the disconnects for the dryers. Located next to the dryers in the main laundry are the disconnects for the washing machines. Located on the first floor is the main electrical room. Once inside, you will see panels and switch gears. In each panel will have a circuit to guest rooms, public areas, lighting. If you need assistance in this area, please contact engineering. Located on the first floor in the main electrical room is this switch, which is the main switch to all electricity in the building. And in case of an emergency, such as an earthquake, fire, or any other disaster that requires the electricity to be shut off, you can simply shut off the whole building by one flip of the switch. This concludes our Home to Suites by Hilton Temecula Safety and Security Training. If you have any questions or would like further explanation on what has been taught here, please contact engineering. Thank you.